Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can verify your student eligibility if you are in this program, I guess. Just for students, get offer. And then you are going to select verify eligibility, cancel in time. It can help with homework, writing, etc., etc. It's going to bring you to this page. Now you're going to add your country, your school, your first name, your last name, your date of birth and email address, and you're going to verify the student status this way. I'm not in school anymore, so obviously I cannot verify myself here, but if you are a student at a school, you can kind of get AI Pro. You need to, however, be at an institution of higher education, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.